Announcing the winners for the Garsdale Design 3D Award is Elliot Hartley.
Hi, my name is Elliot Hartley and I'm Managing Director of Garsdale Design Limited. 3D representations of our world, real or imagined, are all around us. 3D maps can take on many forms and come from any industry. Garsdale Design's 3D Mapping Award was created to encourage and reflect on the diversity of mapping products that represent places, fictional or otherwise, across a broad range of industries. With advancements in technology, software and hardware, as well as an increased desire to learn from others, we felt that we should not limit entries to a particular domain or profession. We encourage you to think of new techniques for representation, so please don't hold back. All we ask is that in some way, shape or form, the entry you send in could be considered 3D. If you're unsure, ask us. The 3D Mapping Award is open to everyone, and we encourage diversity of entry from people of any background. This year has been a little unusual due to COVID, and we hope to return to a degree of normality for next year. We wish you all a safe and happy year. All entries were really strong this year, and we want to thank you all for your submissions. So we have a winner, 2 highly commended, and a commended award. So without further ado, I will run by the awards. We'll look at commended first. Eric Armitage's entry, an interactive visualization of the Banegrafen project in Aarhus, Denmark, got the panel thinking about how we can use 3D mapping for engagement with stakeholders, community or otherwise. The strength here came from the simple interface for touchscreen and a focused narrative, combined with a variety of techniques to wrap this up in a game engine. I think it was Unity, for installing on a sort of a public terminal. So well done. On the highly commended, Kennethfields Moon, Landscapes and Lunar Landings got the panel wanting more. We like the variety of data sets and the 3D models on an interactive web accessible lunar globe, which is somewhat of a change from looking at the global Earth models that we see in web browsers every day. The cohesive nature of the whole delivery was very strong. So really well done. Thank you for that entry. Reluca Nicola's campus map was a series of 4 mapping styles delivered as a type of story map delivered via a web browser. We loved the exploration of how a single fictional campus dataset could be used in multiple contexts and styles for different stakeholders. Here the strength was in the educational aspect of the mapping, not the data. Although clearly this could be applied to many different datasets. This was a masterclass in combining artistic choices and programming techniques to come up with a complete picture. I know I'll certainly be using some of the techniques in future projects, so thank you. And finally on to the winner. Well, what can we say about this entry? I personally love all things digital, but this entry wasn't. The title, A Play on Words, was playful, but that was not what made this a winner. Kennethfields' entry Screwed was clearly a work of some effort. Judges were impressed with the interesting concept and implementation, starting with the digital data and the choices that were made to represent the metrics. They were unique, with screw height and diameter proportional to turnout, combined with colours for share of vote. It was meticulously planned and implemented, and we enjoyed looking at the various stages of the production through photos that were submitted. It is a unique product. You definitely would come up to it. You would definitely want to look at it in more detail. So it really was an interesting product to look at, and how much effort and time has gone into this. So really well done. Thank you very much for your entry. Well, thank you to all those who submitted, and well done to the winners, and a special well done to Ken for his winning entry, Screwed. Thank you very much, British Cartographic Society as well. Enjoy the rest of the conference.